Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name's REDZONE Rider. Welcome your faces back to another video finally. Me and Nick here on the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, Christchurch, New Zealand. Let's go. Big Vulcan, the big Vulcan. I got the baby one.
Christchurch 2019. Firstly, give yourself a round of applause. 225 registered riders. Currently on target to raise $17,000. That's more than double what we did last year. So again, another round of applause for yourselves. Last year I gave a talk on motorcycling as medicine. And a few of you guys stepped forward and said it really spoke to you about how to make a difference in your own life. And I was thinking about how do I add to that. This is a focus on men's health and men's well-being. And you'll notice that nothing's changed around the suicide stats. They've got worse. Nothing's really changing around guys learning how to actually own up and open up. But we are beginning to talk. You guys affect everyone in your circle. And I was thinking about how to follow through from motorcycling as medicine. And there's a couple of things that came to mind. One is, we all like to think we're a bit rebellious. We're motorcyclists. We like to feel like we're kind of living on the edge a wee bit. We break the rules a few times. We like to feel like we're living alive. So I want to encourage you to consider rebellion in a new way. And that's a rebellion to stop hardening up, to stop toughening up, a rebellion to stop shutting down and closing down, and a rebellion to actually start talking and sharing and laughing and being kind and being compassionate. I want you to think about rebellion in a way that breaks the old mold. Thanks, guys.
Hey guys, so yeah, as you can see, we're on the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride 2019 here, Christchurch, New Zealand. It's a massive fundraiser for men's mental health and prostate cancer awareness. As you can see, we had a bit of a speech there at the start, letting everyone know what the ride was about, and then we were off through town. Right now, I'm cutting through the back roads because I'm filming the event today with Nick and Yo-Yo Two Wheels, and we're off. Yeah, I'm cutting through the back streets so I can get a good shot when the guys come back around in a second. I just love this because it's secretly a sports bike.
Sorry?
It's secretly a sports bike.
What was the first bit?
It's secretly a sports bike.
It's a sports bike.
Yeah. Dude, it pulls.
Yeah.
Yeah.